Hello. Now what we want to do in this video is try and add a few walls so that you can actually draw in the walls precisely to the exact size that they are in your space. So if you had a long wall with a galley and an island bench and you didn't need this wall on the left, just click on that wall and press delete and get rid of it. If you want to bring that back, press Control Z and that will undo the last action that you've ever done. If you want to add another wall, say down here, now hopefully you've watched the SketchUp tutorials and you've got a bit of an idea of what we're doing. I'm going to go to this point and make a rectangle. Let's say our wall is 1500 long. Type in 1500, comma, and then 100 for the width, and press enter, and that gives us a rectangle the exact size we need. I'm going to roll the wheel and scroll out, and then I'm just going to bring that wall up, and I'm going to line it up with the other wall over here. So what we've done quite easily is put in a wall the exact size we need that wall to be. One problem though is this wall is all in pieces. If I tried to remove it, I'd be removing separate pieces. Just as a habit, this is not essential, but I always like to make things a component. If you just encircle everything you want in the component, right click, make it a component. It'll ask for a name. You don't have to give it a name, you can if you choose. We'll now put that wall in as a component. The difference is if we want to remove that wall, we just remove the entire wall rather than removing each face at a time. It's easier to work with if you're making changes later. Little habit of mine. Now in the last movie we showed you how to use the measurement tool to draw guidelines. So we made the window the exact size. Let's say the sill height on this window is 1 meter from the floor. So what we can do is we can just go over here to the corner, and we can put up a type line, just got to get that inside point, I think. Probably what's happening is my placement bar here is 150 high, so I'll take that from the meter, that'll leave me 850. I'll start my line and I'll go 850, or I could persevere and do the meter from the corner, and that has given me a measurement, 1 meter from the floor. We'll liven the wall, right click, go to edit component, grab my push-pull tool and bring that sill height down. So what we're doing is accurate. We're putting in the sill height that it is in your room. I always like to remove those guidelines. They just make a mess of the drawing if you leave too many in. Now this is a 2400 ceiling height. If you wanted to make that wall higher, we can simply open the component and we can start to move that wall. We can type in 600, so 2400 plus 600 gives us an overall height of 3 meters. And we'll put that away, and then the same with this wall. I can triple click, or I can open it and right click and edit the component, and I've made my ceiling height 3 meters. Now let's say that you had an angle ceiling. Let's just put this wall in. What we want to do here is we have to get the point to that point, and we'll come up to this point, and that'll give us this surface that can be pushed out of the way, so we can even draw a... Now as I said before, you won't get all this straight away, but you can do whatever you like as you get through the house. Might take you a couple of days playing around with this software, but worth the trouble. It's only an effort till it becomes effortless, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.